What's inside?
New toy
Whoa, what's going on here? My sensors show that you've all been infected by a strange virus that's changed you into weird characters. But don't worry, I've got the antidote. Just a quick spray and you'll be all back to normal.
Rescue bots, a mountain climber is stuck on top of a mountain. She needs our help.
Rescue bots, transform and roll out.
Help! I can't get down!
I'm very fast. I can rescue her. Blurr, are you okay? My engine won't start. And your paint's all scratched up.
Blades, we need your help.
Oh no, what happened to Blurr? He fell off of the mountain.
Blades, you and Optimus Prime need to rescue Blurr.
Yes, Heatwave, I'll go get Optimus Prime. I need to transform into motorcycle mode to rescue the mountain climber.
Woohoo! Thanks, rescue bots!
Optimus Prime, Blurr is injured. He fell off of a mountain. He needs our help.
Medics and Quick Shadow, guard the base. Medics, it sounds like I'm bringing you a patient. Yes, Optimus.
Optimus Prime is on his way.
Hang on, Blurr. We'll get you back to base and Medic will get you fixed up as good as new.
Watch out, Blurr. I'm going to lift you up now.
Blurr, it looks like you've been having too big of an adventure.
Yes, Medic. My engine won't start.
And your paint is all scratched up. I can fix you. Just hold still.
Wow, thanks for the upgrade, Medic. I feel so fast. And I love my new paint job. That's a sweet shade of blue. Optimus, can we race on your launcher?
Well, sure.
So fun!
Thanks, Optimus. That was awesome.
You're welcome. Even rescue bots need to have fun every once in a while.
That was an awesome Transformers Rescue Bots adventure. Hi guys, we have an awesome magic experiment to do today. What do you think would happen if we take this big ball of red magic Play-Doh, put it in our egg, and then we took this cool red car, put it in with the Play-Doh, and then close up our egg, just like this, and then it spins? What's going to happen? Whoa! It's Sideswipe!
Talk about an upgrade.
We've got to try that again with this big ball of yellow magic Play-Doh and this super nice yellow Lightning McQueen. That's going to be interesting. What's going to happen? Let's close up our egg and then watch it spin. Who is it? Yay! It's the last night Bumblebee. Super cool.
Play-Doh plus Lightning McQueen equals Bumblebee? Sounds about right.
How about some green magic Play-Doh? Do you think that will work? And this green sports car is super sweet looking. Let's put it in with our green Play-Doh and close up our egg. I'm so curious. What do you think's going to happen? Whoa! It's Springload! He's a Decepticon!
This is what I get for trying to eat Play-Doh. Now I am Play-Doh.
Ooh, let's try this ball of blue magic Play-Doh. That'll be great. And this blue vehicle, it's very fancy. Let's put it inside, close up our egg, and see what happens. Will it be another Transformer? Who do you think it'll be? Who is it? Whoa! It's the last night Optimus Prime! He looks great!
I hope the magic doesn't wear off. Play-Doh is fun, but it can't defeat the Decepticons by itself.
I hope it'll work with this purple magic Play-Doh. Let's put the Play-Doh inside of the egg. And this purple car is super cool. Let's put the car inside with the magic Play-Doh. And close up our egg. I'm very curious. Will it be a purple Transformer? What do you think? Let's open up our egg. Whoa, it is! It's Blurr!
Is Play-Doh magic supposed to make everything taste salty?
Now let's put in this big ball of red magic Play-Doh. I have a really good feeling about this because we're adding this really nice red fire truck. Who do you think it's going to be? Let's close up our egg. Just like this. And watch it spin. And who is it? I knew it. It's Heatwave. Did you know it was going to be Heatwave? Awesome.
I was brought to life by Play-Doh? How embarrassing.
Look at our M&Ms. It looks like they're transforming into something. Who do you think they're changing into? We can see yellow and orange and blue.
Good guess, but it's actually me, Salvage. Now I better transform into a dump truck and haul these extra M&Ms away.
Great job, Salvage. You're so awesome. Do you think that these blue M&Ms are transforming into a rescue bot? I hope so. Who can it be?
Yup, it's me, Optimus Prime, the leader of the Autobots. Now I'll transform into truck mode and roll out.
Wow, Optimus Prime, you're so great! It looks like our next Transformer is going to be mostly yellow. Who can that be?
Did you guess Bumblebee? It's me in my motorcycle mode. With all these trucks, I figured we needed one fast Autobot.
I knew it was Bumblebee, but motorcycle mode was a surprise. Which rescue bot is mostly red? He looks kind of chunky, so he must be a truck. Oh yeah, who do you think he is? Let's see.
It's good to be Robot Heatwave again. I couldn't put out fires very well if I used chocolate instead of water.
That's funny, Heatwave. Chocolate wouldn't put out a fire very well. Now let's check out all of our rescue bots that transform from M&Ms. Which one's your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. All of them look so cool. If you like Transformers, give this video a thumbs up and be sure to let us know in the comments below the name of your favorite Transformer. Remember to subscribe to New Toy Surprise so that we can open up a lot of great toys together.